Hey, this is Sean from AddEvent, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use analytics for each of our solutions. Analytics helps you to discover the most effective sharing methods for your events and calendars, and to make data-driven decisions on how to optimize engagement. It's important to note that our analytics platform is GDPR compliant. We don't collect PII, that's personally identifying information, for end users that are covered by GDPR, and with the option to not collect PII for all end users. When you open the analytics page, you'll see a summary of the activity on your account broken down into two main categories: event ads and calendar subscribers. An event ad is recorded every time an end user clicks an add to calendar button or an add to calendar link and saves an event to their own personal calendar, and a calendar subscriber is a user who has added an entire calendar of events to their personal calendar and receives updated events onto that calendar via your AddEvent calendar. Further down the page, we'll also see analytics broken down by calendar, by event, and by automated events for both add to calendar buttons and add to calendar links, formerly known as the direct URL method. I'm going to briefly run through the information that's available for each of these categories, starting with the calendar. For the calendar, you'll see a brief summary of the events, the number of active and total subscribers on that account, and then if you scroll further down the page, you'll see detailed information over time for hits on the calendar landing page, active, total, and new subscribers on that calendar, as well as a breakdown of the calendar vendor used by your end users to subscribe to the calendar. You can also see data on the top referring URLs to the calendar landing page, and live data for recent hits on that calendar landing page, as well as recent subscribers to the calendar. There's similar information available for each event on your account, but this time we're looking at event ads rather than calendar subscribers. You can see the number of hits on the event landing page over time, as well as event ads over time, a breakdown of the calendar vendors used by your users to add the event to their calendar, and the top 10 referring URLs to the calendar landing page, as well as live data, recent hits on that event landing page, and recent event ads on the event landing page. For the automated add to calendar button, we can also see a breakdown of event ads for your account, but this time they're broken down by domain and not by event. You can see the number of event ads over time. You can see a breakdown of calendar vendor used. You can see referring URLs to that event, as well as live data, recent event ads on that domain. There's similar information available for the direct URL method, but there's no breakdown here, so there's no restriction across domains. You'll see hits on the event landing page if you're using that with the direct URL method, and you'll see event ads over time as well. You'll also see a breakdown of calendar vendors as before, referring URLs, and live data, which are hits on the event landing page, as well as event ads for the events using the direct URL method. Within the AddEvent platform, you can also see additional information for individual events. You can see a number of event ads for events in here within the dashboard, and you can also see calendar subscribers by going to the calendar page and looking at this section here.